In the quiet solitude of a forgotten field, a silent giant has been sleeping for a century. For decades, it stood as a monument to decay. Its form slowly surrendered to the patient embrace of nature. This is the 1916 Vulcan Truck, a titan of industry from a bygone era, now a skeletal relic consumed by rust and time. Once a symbol of strength and tireless work, its proud lines are now buckled, its steel skin eaten away, and its mighty heart silent. We see it not as a wreck, but as a time capsule, a silent witness to 100 years of progress that left it behind. Its story, etched in corrosion and broken wood, is a poignant juxtaposition of past vigor against present dereliction, a history waiting to be retold. The journey from ruin to revival begins not with a wrench, but with a whisper of possibility. In a clean, modern workshop, far from the overgrown field, a new chapter is planned. The initial encounter is one of reverence. Gloved hands gently brush away a century of grime, uncovering the faintest ghost of its original paint, a small spark of what was. This is where history meets technology. Advanced tools become the eyes and ears of the restorers. Borescopes snake into the engine's silent chambers. Ultrasonic scanners test the fatigue of ancient metal, and 3D scanners meticulously map every corroded curve, creating a digital twin. The extraction itself is a tense surgical operation. Heavy machinery is brought in, overgrowth is carefully cut away, and the fragile chassis is lifted with agonizing care. Every creak of stressed metal, a potential cry of final defeat. Finally, it arrives in the workshop, a grime-covered ghost amidst pristine order, a challenge laid bare. With the truck secured, the true anatomy of its restoration unfolds. A time-lapse reveals the methodical disassembly, a reverse construction where every component, from the massive engine block to the smallest bracket, is carefully removed, tagged, and cataloged. This is where the real battle against time is fought. The engine block is submerged in chemical baths, stripped of its hardened shroud of oil and dirt, its iron heart inspected for fatal flaws before being machined to tolerances finer than it knew when new. The chassis, the very backbone of the beast, is blasted clean of rust, its scarred steel revealed and meticulously welded, reinforced with modern techniques to grant it another century of strength. In another corner, craftsmen honor old-world skills, their hands patiently shaping new wooden spokes for the wheels and rebuilding the cab from solid timber. Meanwhile, panel beaters hammer and sculpt fresh sheet metal, their rhythmic strikes coaxing it into the truck's original muscular contours. Throughout this process, CAD models on screens provide a digital blueprint, guiding the flawless recreation of parts lost to time. It is a symphony of human dedication, a testament to overcoming frustration with sheer perseverance. Slowly, painstakingly, the phoenix begins to rise from its own ashes. The process reverses as a gleaming, newly painted chassis becomes the foundation for rebirth. The rebuilt engine, a fusion of original iron and modern precision, is carefully lowered and secured into its rightful place. The wheels, now shod in new rubber and framed by pristine wooden spokes, are mounted. Piece by piece, the cab and truck bed are refitted, each bolt tightened with deliberate care. A new nervous system of wires is painstakingly threaded through the frame, powering period-correct lights that will soon cut through the darkness for the first time in generations. Finally, layer upon layer of lustrous paint is applied, sanded, and polished to a mirror shine. Then comes the moment of truth. With a turn of the crank, the engine sputters, coughs, and then roars to life, its deep, rhythmic idle a sound not heard for 100 years, a powerful symphony of resurrected metal. Now, the 1916 Vulcan Truck is no longer a relic. It is a living legend. Gleaming under a bright sky, it rolls onto the open road, its engine a confident purr, its wheels turning with a grace that defies its age. It drives through the countryside, a moving piece of history, its presence a bridge connecting the industrial past with the technological present. From the intricate dance of its suspension to the authentic glow of its dashboard gauges, every detail is a tribute to its incredible journey. As it parks against a setting sun, its silhouette is a powerful statement. This is more than just restored metal. It's a legacy driven forward, a story of decay and resurrection, revived to inspire for another century.